to my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie. Don't be. I'm all alive. If the point got to my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie. Don't be like, yeah. I fit spend all of my money on you. Spend a couple million on you. Give you love me till you say don't do, yeah. Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, the mommy, anytime where I deal with you. I want your heart and soul and your own body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm all alive. If the point got to my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie. Don't be like, yeah. I fit spend all of my money on you. Spend a couple million on you. Give you love me till you say don't do, yeah. Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, the mommy, anytime where I deal with you. I want your heart and soul and your own body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm beginning to fall in love. This love not be ordinary thing. It's supposed to be one night thing. But now I don't need past feelings. I get vexed when I see you with another person. No, I don't need concentrate no more. Make me felicitate you, oh. Hold me tight and rub on my head, baby. Make I feel alright. Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, the mommy, anytime where I deal with you. I want your heart and soul and your own body too.
Everybody now, woo! beginning to fall in love. Alright, so 4 minutes after 10, folks. It's Friday morning. I hope you are doing good. Of course, you're back on your radio to serve you the latest music right here on this particular vow. Folks, my name is Jenny Champon Boateng as usual. Call me Jabru's Money. Call me Kobina Kosti. I'm Branton upon the perfect gentleman. Right, so fast forward, it's a Friday morning. And as always, I love Fridays. Okay, so 26 May 2023. How you all doing? Make a cool down or make a just maintain the energy. Joe boy, because this one beginning, I love this song. And of course, I'm beginning to fall in love this morning. But I'm not going to tell you who and what I'm beginning to fall in love for. Anyways, I hope you are doing good. Obi, I want to say I'm watching one cover at about 93.3 FM. Adwuma-Adwuma mid-morning. From me, Kobina Kosti. My name is producers, Able producers, Emmanuel Jumo. Yeah, DJ Shabo, Kobe K, Nanato Pahin, and Alfred, Mr. Billy. That's now see there. It's more of good music and good music, more music, less talk. But don't forget, our daily dose of motivation certainly will come in your way. And in the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekumi Point, if you speak Awazayade, if you speak Fralaone Gushi, if you speak in Zumako there. Yeah, fantasy and patron today. When you compare them, Madakra make us Alright, so I see and I hear my favorite song in the background. So one of them Bushami said my favorite song cry then. And I was not make and said since January. My favorite song I back up. I I mean, I've been listening to music from various artists day in, day out, and they be but this particular song has been my favorite from January. Everybody now. Hey, Kaba, 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 hey, Kaba, 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 hey, Kaba, Kaba, hey. Make a shit for a song. Everybody now. Beat yours. It's hey, and outside, I heard the muncha holding free mommy. Or see, although you all my houses and cars will be yours. I don't think some can over be happy. And let them young as I can't say. You see, sometimes I didn't go home. Now one can did do what they want, and yet Yatsen will be a catcher and I shall be one. Yes, I don't think me can be happy. It's a man can be country himself, and I can't be happy. May I always saw Baby and Pemicalo. That's right, so 38 minutes after 10. Mammy, big shout out. Shall I do menjay boy, Mr. When I cram my instrument, and I'm a fancy and I'm a fan, church, I'm in call for the thing. I am to watch media so right here on 93.3 FM, okay? Something I'll do Casafia, I'm a patron Ahenkan FM. Over to me, I join the show live on Facebook. Over Facebook, I Ahenkan with a search Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Over Facebook now. Mr. Likey page, you know. But once a video, so chegu I see honum na. Forget about my eyes. Forget about it. Menu kumpa makajo. It's in Uber now who many of Facebook are fans mandantel. Make all night. One more person who needs a mandantel. Make all night. You can bomb pie sa. You be fear 5:30. About the all nights are the Conadia. I'm before you check your point, Mr. Orbin. I don't feel Mr. Orbin, and they'll say, Monsieur. And that dear, as I'm sure Mr. Orbin, and that dear. Call here, who Mr. Orbin that. Mr. Orbin, I don't feel what to say, and I'll say, Mr. Chumesi. Good morning, come on, KNL Fashion, good morning, and come on, Muna, more KNL. Young call Achim Ashane, Berryman Quine, a honso semicoho, Berryman Quine, and pay good morning, and come out, Saloon de Gambia, I said the phone in Nimba, good morning, and come out and I'll pay Plasma Detailer, Plasma Detailer. Good morning and come out and I'll say I am Bravo Aboya, young Bompire Johnson, Nanaya, or Bompire Johnson, your organizer, bro. Young Yoke, okay. Good morning, be and come out and comfort and natural beauty look salon. Good morning and come on, girls. Oh, now I am SDA Johnson, Bra Michael. Super rough, Bra Michael. We are carpenter, our SDA Johnson. Good morning and come on. I feel so God's time is the best beauty salon. Then madam, no. God's time is the best in your salon. Yeah, one can hear gra. Manual from basa. Oh, Mahana. Oh, SDA Johnson, the Bra Michael, the Bohua. Oh, Pamadio, also Tom Gobe, special Gobe with a more with Jenny with Incusia with Penny at the idea. It's the first special, then you go baby and you go baby. Go baby, hold my terrace like Gary the Beast. Go baby, Gary the Beast. But go baby with Power, with Jenny, with Kusia, with a bon cacra, near the Fred go baby. Fish house and come out. I feel so rejoice if you have been in the OT. Good morning. And come out more parties, golden scissors. Good morning. When I feel Ashida Beauty Saloon. Madame Letitia, good morning. Bibi Aboko, the Janice Fashion, good morning. Akameni Johnson, Yaji, Authentic Supayai. I want to say on the charities fashion, DJ Lion, Muina Mo, Akameni Johnson, and I'll say His Grace Phones, Ishmael, or Jamaica, bro. Good morning, come on. Emmanuel Amauga. Emmanuel Amawuga, good morning and come out. Dependable Beauty Salon, more CAC Newtown. Good morning and come out so and our way. And come quality fashion. Now, I can't say we. I don't pay into Mr. Sari Frame, Mr. Sari of Quality Fashion. Shabu was saying draw Johnny wallet to Kamu, scanning almost 400 cities. Or for Carnival or Mojantion, so Liberty Honor and about Block Factory near EPL Honor. The Honor see it. You see, for no who's in the wallet at all. Sorry, I talk animal. Not the front. Driver would say, Mr. Ready, what I say. Je busiane sa akoye me na akoye master sare na akoye wo driver wo tie de o say me ne mu ne yenya busianfo so wallet ne talk I was say 400 cedis ne wo Mr. Fabre me yeah Fabre come na cost Fabre mo me ya Mr. because akoye master sare de na akoye me na akoye wo driver on so de Mr. but na front of Liberty ya pa cho why. Now, Mama Vida, Opamadio Jubilee Bridge, and so good morning. And come out and I'll say, Enchua, Mama Enchua, oh, Achim Asane, Mama Enchua, Ya Enchua, oh, Achim Asane, Oton Fanti Kinky, Mommy. I was alive, baby, be able to go. Okay. Hey, Shabu say magic and I old time we say those seven phone you say. Anawe. Hey. Shabu say magnet. Ah, Shabu na Romeo ho. Eh. Romeo ho de na when chifo nyina mo ho to say. When chifo nyina. Someone mo ya we some incoming assemblyman near Romeo. Someone ya we there. Me party madam for Romeo. Someone to man na on be assemblyman na e didi ma bo so be MP ni dia o MP no be president so dia na just say come na cost the kwanda ho ma me na just say menya ma appointment am pe wa be mu no me show wo voti ma me no I just say big shouts to all my taxi drivers. Brad David Pasco Raouf MP3 Staga Obama Ricardo Franco Tampa Jonathan me this year Staga Piero Baruso Boy Richmond Banche Salapia Kubonash Muna mo to say na pia ni Amos. Good morning and come on Muna. After you going to say what's up Pesikani Odo. Hey, my seed bobo I know good is Mexican order. Hey, my seed bobo. Many plans I get for you. I don't think and we got it also, my ability to that you don't be like. And I'm gonna be that's right. We just having fun on radio just because it's a Friday. And as always, as you know, we just party hard on radio. I mean, no stress. That's right. No stress. Hey, you see that? So this morning, no, I have much in the moment. So I had a dream and I was rapping. All of a sudden, I saw myself on the BET stage. So make I give you the freestyle. Success. What I'm about to do, if you don't know and you comment, I'll block you, I swear. When I say rap, success say one way rap. Madam, won't even try rap, no. So make I give you the freestyle. So it was just a freestyle, okay? Yeah. So this is a freestyle. I'm in the BET stages. So Shabo, you ready for me? Okay, let's do this. Okay, B neighbor, C neighbor. Everybody now. I said that. Okay, T. A for apple, B for boy, C for cane. Cane. Okay, T. Do re mi fa so lati do. Yeah, people condo. Charlie, refia there. But Charlie vim day. Say me trans na me train here befa. Okay, you say mami beat the film. Do re mi fa so lati do. Ebusuya me mani jibi ho me nchi condo. Tear up. No, say freestyle nya botre. No. My friend, listen. No, yeah, na say freestyle rappers. Okay. I'm a freestyle rapper. No, me a freestyle rapper, my friend. I'm a freestyle rapper. Yeah, but bro, all your freestyle rappers, bro. Do re mi fa so la ti do. Tie mi chimbi bia, mi di bibia bi, mi di condo. Condo. No more say so much try. Do re mi fa so la ti do. Mi di bibia, mi chimbi bia, mi di condo. Afei, obi aye no ho so ye commando. Mi bia no because me dem me terminate. Where bass. Here boys, baby, some of your hardcore. Mimi who am I say, I'm singlets. No, the Macana Junior, Monsieur boys, baby, some of your hardcore. Mimi if you will be I wish I say, I'm singlets. Where about you? I want to ask, I said yesterday. Where what play, say what play a shot at the ass. It's only singlets, baby. What's you say? Hardcore rapper in the agro grind. Same who's a fear money a crew man musino. Same what fans upon. Your far got to chance some money upon my hit it. Hey, you are 4 people. Okay, Mr. Star, come now, stop rapping. You are disgracing me. Oh, come on. How bad? Okay, see, I'm missing me a freestyle rapper, and you should also understand. Say, you see, your rappers they don't rap with beats, okay, and your rappers they only do wordplay. What I say, and wordplay there, say when you get there, and I know unti rappers here, unti wordplay say me boy. Okay, strong man, no, not strong man. This the other guy, the only strong man now more differences now. T-Flow, right? T-Flow before he was doing wordplay. And an uncle focus say on your rapper, but what's a rapper say wordplay? Back when I'm digging you too on. What I say? Me say boys be brace on me hardcore. But me who be almost shama say on me am singlet. It would drink who say mama wordplay pan. What I say? Afeti. Ghana band jeto. Me kobena me ntwa to but me pebotos. And you say wordplay. Ha. What's a rapper? What I say? Wordplay. It's a fool Okay. Alright, so happy birthday. Alright, so happy birthday and come on. Esther Dompre. Baby Nani was Jemima Mommy and their birthday. Happy birthday. And come on, wait free. Me and Madame for Derek of MTN office. Was say happy birthday and fan come on, Esther Dompre. Yeni was Jemima Mommy and they were with that Yakupon your Kasiapa. Happy birthday. and fan come out, what's it, Abu Heya? Abu Heya. Upon your cashier, and walk on Swede in Amber, Mouton meat pie and cookies. Oh, Abuha, and to wait free MTN, Derek, or say happy birthday to Esther Dompre, Jemima Mommy, happy birthday, and fan come out. Now, guess who? Why endorse me? Say, me come back, me boy, look at this message, read it live on air, read it loud on air. Hey, why? No, the last one.
I like question. The rapper.
Everyone.
Marvel.
And one no. A gentleobia. Sakomavo endorse me out here, Jiro, with you.
I come out. Let's say, be our team free.
Our team Vivi. Okay, uncle. I call TV almost is here, Uti 50 TV. Okay, look at it. Shall we talk him out at the BMI? Okay, No, on chame da men rap. There be tete.
What goes on one am
let me use a bibia step by step. No, listen me energy aba. Allow me, let me free, okay? No, tell me. Say rap when I'm rap here on. There be media no more me the boost me energy. Me ya ma for hand ti ase ni enko ti. Okay. No, I'm the best starting. Me the never starting. Shall be talking my done for a couple of years. After coming I'm a server, fresh in the ears. Then I open. Cook and a beer. Can I mentor my course? Can I say? Trust me, watching our tree cola. Busankophone my jome my feeder. Ningechi coming I'm a sense walker. Men can show I'm in the bed. I'm so sorry. Forget the past. I made you so worry. My summer back and fair before sorry. Hey, Obia said many as a minimum rapping. Jai, now we turn it rapping. After, hey, Shabu, after chorus, Kava. No, they all rap out to chorus. There be Mrs. Energy bar. That is what I'm saying. Energy bar.
Guy.
Come out with some mahiti. Anyway, Shnami Adama Jimmy. Rice Under Pop 360 presents a Bonti Music Festival. Nyami Adama Rice Under Air Bonti Music Festival. Now on the Raskuku Pwom and on the Air 3rd Saturday 2023 3rd June and just a Kuku best set town there. Obe sebe bia wa chimo dan kroma etime sro makacho so faka wo calendar no ho na fashion dreams at 3rd June you are going out to chill, have fun and also enjoy good music from Raskuku and other artists from Achimo dan and then put them hanoma send song so betimi a book table you get it to fashion dream so ubetimi a book table to free Rice Under was 0240539433 0240539433 and I booked you with fair with say and now our daily dose of motivation share the bros here so say Color Studios and Digital Broadway and that Romania daily dose of motivation and crash submission every morning we are the bro here on 93.3 FM now Color Studios our Chimodan Liberty Transport opposite Kinau Pharmacy or so will be a count for the amount pre-birthday shoots save the day shoots and at the idea over Color Studios and Digital Broadway over sort out one time now upper school crest church Lacoste and Broadway cap and Broadway police uniform and Broadway a channel there your latest what I say a guy you know a chapa na ya throw in the good him shabo to me and ya also man distracted me check Now you're trading the good. Come on, point them out. I will call Liberty Transport opposite Canal Pharmacy. And I'll be who friend 0245 276 0245-276-638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. I was a brother with Charlie Punya. Now let's go straight into our daily dose of motivations. Real quick, this year. Now I'm proper. Any Friday, it's because I say I can create that way. Yes, sir. So with good music, do you have a come out with this song? Boswe. You cover my Boswe. But Boswe no, me try lie be woman, and then I'm can. I can fetch me some material. So I wrote a lie for a comavo in Boswe. I'm sure. If your problem be 19, you go make 100. Intimate to be a man the area road by yeah. It be me a road apart. It be me a road apart. Oh. Just put him on the line on confirm me. But I was and I'm saying, I'm a sure Honomano. Say, I say we were in the studio, we were having some discussions. You get it? It's that time, no, now me drink at the evening. Oh, sometimes, hey, that's the Chalo problem. That's all you want. What I say, I'm saying, if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100, it may soon be a man the area will buy India so be back sweat. Ah, life, no, yeah, high life, yeah, summer, yeah, oh, no, yeah, on all the kind of boss way, but when them in the account, yeah. It's any dose of motivations. Make a try simple, yeah. If we tenor youthers, I see you just have to have the guidance to lead you in the direction until you can do it yourself. You just have to have the guidance to lead you in the direction until you can do it yourself. All right, ready? Come on, woman, say be na mini me wo muso no. Abrabo we mo. Obia wasasi su bia ehia obia obe guide no abrabo obia ehia obia obetene chene say baby a wonam no enye yese ne ofro am kan do twa isadim say the chia because sometimes we trim the way ya de ye but say when you obi obe correct obi obe direct say for ha no man aya na eye pan ebo pan abrabo. So yesterday I was talking about Madam Lucy, right? Say you see, you won't come for baby or your brabo man. Even it's radio so sometimes you swing at the no ya endao ya trans you swing at the na say. But maybe catch any part over 1,000 ebi a mutie misisia. It is a man swing at the na tia na say. Maybe I come obi atia say. What I say? But upon adia you swing na sometimes we sit here and make mistakes. It will be one more friend say and there some I kind it should have been this or it should have been the other way around. You get it? It's whoever you are. I shall woman who crime will be train. Woman who crime will be a corrective. Woman who crime will be a guide. Woman who crime will be children deal with Fessia. I just say, I call out Ocean, a Jimoman who come and Madame and Shen, I didn't know Oceano. I'll call you down with me. Maybe we are minimum to the extent to say, or shall be as you. But all man who come man nipping children sad day and say, Obi obeti meti pa of yours, me madam can say, but yes, sir, say ye no. All man who come man nippon trend, or man who coin says, she, J. Kuno. Michelle, I am man who coin. And you see, Kabia. And now who be a for your cockobia or you're not to me. And I saw you have cut to send me. There be my whole quina, young Trenton, my whole quina, young Tro send our bra at the alpha. I just say, Missy Minimus Sophobia say, oh, what's a maker? Minimus Sophobia. Tell me, Tell me, Biao, or Fred Busase, and there when Uhun is saying, a course saying, preaching Uhun is saying, Mano Fumo baby, and I send be man can ye. San Quebec as a man, I'm your so for men, I'm not trying to prepare me someone, I'm a deba. So why should I ask someone say koyi and I say ankoyi? Say man you dey make what you say. Sani pano wa man who kwan say yen tren no. O man who kwan say yen correct no. Yeah, na be bu baby say ohene a on pay futu na 7 ntoma twi bibi wo badwa mu say bibi sa. Yeah, obi wo ho no ma o feel say I am the boss, I am the leader, I am the head. It no mean tie obi a opinion. Mean tie obi a futu, me mo obi a nka hwe nkyere me. Sabe penfo money ma on to ma beti bin. Ana anya sa. Ejanan. Okay. Mo pa cho mo fan share, shall we say man. Ye manu yi. On to ma beti ejanan. Na what den mo fa chami ha go krasi ni mo fa chami but they serious me pa cho wo sika sin obi seden o hu afasi obi seden ade bi wo ho a o ya na untumi nya open up ma obi mboa o ma obi nkyere wo kwan no ma obi kati soap e ma o ma obi direct o mobi internet no obi fa won si baby yi ati ase obi wo sika pa but oni nimdie e wa de bi ho sabi obi oni sika e wa nimdie anase nimdie anya sa e wa knowledge about a particular thing dan obi a o feel say o wo sika obetima to bibia Michelle money is everything though but not entirely everything mpacho what ase ma ho kwan na obi guide o ma ho kwan na obi internet no me kran sha se money me daily dose of motivation abo nyum na ready boss we na ready ti my uncle breaking bra ya ba me tro baby me tro ye no na me sata no na ye dwendwen nyum oh we in the studio we in boys normal level na ante come up catch you oh sa me so on kan show bi ada. Okay. Yaba so I try and put him on the line for me. Me pair idea mo be ka say Mashala na make. I want him to confirm. You get it. I wrote the song. No, not the entire song, but that hook. It's when you men dia rewo, right dia so be back swear. And on the high life. Yaba sa dia sa oh no the one show. Any dia how dia no you no if anything. You no copyright. Yes, but me in there, me am there. And they don't mean cotton being cancer. And if you know ya way, it's yaba is ya. Muche yaba. Number one.
So muko na yaru be to muntum gra. Yesu bebe ya besim we yi ana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nko ni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, ava one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare go for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ban koko yare ade a edura ohia ne ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na mixture me kira ava one herbal mixture study. Malaria slow no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobi omodoso nya na drugstores any herbal shops. Your number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne banufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumie no. Oya malaria test. Na say positive a. We dura ne ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenya bi so ato Amwafo drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosome Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mixture. Peking crime. FDA. Aji ejwedi enkrato yatu.
I swear. Nyamia nim ni krani se bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Miami do. Me wife wa hen. Besini ko Preferland weekend zibien. Esan say, bia o kope as wadu fie. Bibia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa mo do. Eni to kra ni Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Se wo di birthday party. Oh ware. Ana ye na de wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. O car park kesie. O baby green grass and kwada diagro kama. Na ni punu. Eya kona bi international standard. Ujali ni na kone safa filter mu. Punu su ujali a. Unse yes. Ujali ni pensio. Akona nkasa. Preferland Hotel. O wa dan ya udro bebre. Asa ujuani bra. Unya busani benya baby ada.
na so no kanjiman's go no problem e bonus ye ku enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Briefland Hotel enyum chetua so abri bia enti achim dan man so ene ne important phone na cross for mo she ho Briefland Hotel bamamo no ni masem de bia wo kwase de bia eye pool party esanso ye mutual special brabe didi na se jolly Briefland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu ani akire achim dan kwa no so na Presby school na chipe for 0551 187 926 and now say 0507 640 302 Briefland Hotel Fresisia na Yabama.
All correct, sir. I take a woman. Merimedro delay man capsules ya wonu me dear. Boy, yeah. I would na wenya ne sano. Would delay adwuma no so papa. Na what say? Na we ye ni ye pa. Delay man capsules. I don't know. Ama me sisi me ko todwe mo ayen. I can see. Na local mixture ene the capsules a. E man merima nyina num bie no. Me num bie no me do. Wo hu me say. Me hu say wa hi fie ho ayefe neat pa. Enti na wo ko wa would delay sa. Local mixture and the capsules means so a feature chromo yaw biem mura so wo be delay kra no means no be man na wo baby a wo be hu dia wo mpe ana wo beti yaw bi e wo ho baby ano for local mixture esia no yare bi te se gonorrhea white syphilis and the keka ho no wo bi a woni ntime nyi da entima local mixture and the capsules e me yefru e wo heba e pharmacies nyina mu dudu afre 0242 133 577 and 0202 675 778. Local mixture and in the capsules. And what's that there? In kind.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Medjuma Sweni, inti obia pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shamisa. Mesha se, usika enko waste. Inti, me tomino meni na free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa nchen. Inti sa wupe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se, simaf. Ningina, ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa nchen. Open nadwa, all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pan fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa bochire paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa Cheng, our Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form. I just wanna rock you.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden. Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek. And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kashi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Cascades on it.
Yo, gang, make I tell you what the party day. Saturday, 10th June 2023. The party's office, Rise Under Power, presents a Bontin Music Festival. Prom night with the evergreen dancehall artist Ras Kuku.
Well, you don't know Ras Kuku, need to get to the president, RK, original, the man himself, you don't know me. There, I think what for Musideng, Akimoda, Abuaburu, no so on the 3rd June. So I said, Ras Kuku, me bem, my baby, see, minimum in a a party. I want him for a rice and a pub. Bed so on the 3rd June there, it's all about Raskuku inside Akim. Madam Bume reloaded. So as I say, bless up.
Yes, and you're free. No get trivia, but for table reservation, free 0240-539433. Joe Branian Poppy, Branian G all nights.
Ghana Equiafwe, Yamamoiko, Aiko, Agro Ecom Ghana Limited, Yakane, na your friend Amajaru and Chia Eni. Agro Ecom Ghana Limited, any Unicom Commodities Ghana Limited. The Assembly Brequiafwa, Yanemoya Juma Brenina. Na said Yamunim Agro Ecom Ghana Limited, any Unicom Commodities Ghana Limited. Ana Amajaru no, Afibia Yecha Premium, Ana bonus, Emma Equiafwa, our tongue Coco, Emma Amajaru, Ana Ecom Ghana Limited. Afin so sa ene yebeye no na ye kai mo se ebre no aso piafo ene mudi juma wo certification ene akwa hodo so no eye Agro Ecom Ghana Limited ene Unicom Commodities Ghana Limited ena ebe tua bonus no amamo na se de yebeye ne yahunu piafo kan a woton won koko ema Agro Ecom Ghana Limited tete ho Amajaru no yebetua sika no agu society bia account mu na society mpanifo no aboyen ametua sika no de amakuafo no ba bi wo ho a yebetua fa kuafo no momo so ba bi so wo ho a yebetua cash ena baby so ewo ho a yebetua to akuafo na account mu direct nya yesre akuafo no ne se mo behu mu kompanifo no atoto bibia kama se be ya sika ne ba wonsa ebe kan de eye Agro Ecom Ghana Limited ene Unicom Commodities Ghana Limited ena ebetua bonus no amamo na yesre nso bio se wonsa ka usika no a team ana sign na nya dansidie se wonsa ka bonus ana premium na nanom akuafo e kompanifo edamase Amajaru mpanifo se esa mo asetena panti odamase damase a ensada Ghana Equiafo Agro Ecom Ghana Limited atete ho ne ye friend Amajaru se omamwaiko.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl Abi Anna and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Girls wanna have fun. Throw that ass back, machine gun. Oh, she's in action. Her melanin shining like the sun. Did you know that you're beautiful? I'm on baby, on baby. I will love you till the end. My sweetie pie, I hope you understand. I will love you till the end. I'm on baby. So me move the man, I'm a one me dead. So me move the man, I'm a one me dead. Take it up, forget me to take away champagne, I'm a one me dead. I'm on baby. You should know, I don't go use you, catch you cruise. So many girls, but you I choose.
Have a blessed day.
All the girls call me daddy. 20 bottles when we pull up at the party. 50,000 Remy Martin for a laddie. Your boy came here in the Maserati. More celebration, you only live once anyway. And with the bamba, they pour champagne. And they all want to come and play. More celebration, you only live once anyway. And with the bamba, they pour champagne. And they all want to come and play.
If you don't get money, anything you say be funny. They are taking your babes away. They are taking your babes away. If you don't get money, anything you say be funny. They are taking your babes away. They are taking your babes away.
When the money boys come, spend the whole income. We came here to have fun. Things to do is gonna come.
Have a blessed day.
a crime, they put me for jail. Baby, come closer, make a butter your brain. I said it is you that I want to see every night and day. Baby, baby, come back to it. Talk this about me so. Fuck up the boat, me I read for no. One day I'm retro. Oh girl, I talk color. Yellow brand on my feel. Talk about the me bro. No one never gets a real bag. Baby, go down low, down low. Baby, go down low, down low. I know if you die for nothing, but I go fit die for your back and dish. Baby, I fit to catch me for you. Oh, I'm losing my mind, I know fit to concentrate. CCT and in this can't make me. Baby, balanga, oh, balanga, oh, balanga. In December, I will marry you so that your calendar. Baby, balanga, oh, balanga, oh, balanga. Follow me overseas, straight in Bahamas. Baby, go down low, down low. Baby, go down low. All I do is keep it real and cool. What I cannot do, I no go do myself like I go feed do. I'm no I won't. I see you, you did do I'm good. Go feed to kill you. All I know is if I did you, if I did you, but then I'm not stopping, I'm not flopping, crazy bang is dropping, running, I'm not walking, I'm not joking. Feeling the vibe cause I don't my life. Then you claim the love you back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. If you never know, don't worry, now you know. Feeling the vibe cause I don't my life. Then you claim the love you back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. Feeling the vibe cause I don't my life. Then you claim the love you back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. If you never know, don't worry, now you know. Feeling the vibe cause I don't my life. Then you claim the love you back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. Look, I dey live my life for lucky. I got you God, me, I know they don't leave. Show me way, make you know they drop me. Oh please, look, make you know they get your eye if you know me. If I fall, I beg, don't laugh me. I got you God, me, I know they don't leave. Show me, but then I'm not stopping, I'm not flopping, crazy bang is dropping. Running, the mid-morning show, have them blessed day. Feeling the vibe, cause I don't like it. Love it, stop in the vibe, they want to see me. Never know why it now. Feeling the vibe, cause I don't like it. She love me, stop in the vibe, they want to see me.
Spending money, she getting money, she getting money. If you get the money, no be hide the money, make you spend the money, job. Bring the show, there is a cost. Although good, I'll be spend now.
The big money show, have a blessed day.
Although good, I'll be spend now.
When I want it way, 50 bottles on display, 50 bottles on the way. Spending money like a criminal. Balling, them they see me now. Bend it like a Gemini, like a Gemini. I'm the The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Zapnation.net.
Initiating rage process.
I'm on a
You be the only one for me, girl. If you leave me, I go die, yo. Enuntino, but I mean yo, basa, what the fuck, me? Minyo, 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 basa, what the fuck, me? I want to know for a couple of years. Every couple of samba fresh in your ears. Then I will pay cold and a beer. Can I mental mouth? Cause he can't say. Trust me, watching now be tree cola. We sang for no my Joe, me, I'm a Frida. The in the couple of mess as a walk out. Make on the show, I'm ready to try to come. I'm so sorry. For the past, I made you so worried. My summer back and fair before sorry. Sorry, now I'm coming off with them begging. I don't throw up on my chair, jogging. You take bread now for the head, doggy. But for free or dog, now you're doggy. To me, money, I make them myself, brody. Sadia, Sadia, no. Yo, basa, basa. The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Minyo, basa, basa.
Minimum passion go for Rebecca say, "Come on, me. It's am best make us." Okay, so 24 minutes after 11, the folks was good 93.3 of my higher hand kind of Friday mid-morning, you know. Say I need go no what you say. Your boy, they make catch your boy executive from Monday to Indra. Your boy executive from Monday I do sit here and after Friday and you release stress kakra. I better day. These things are not okay. My MTN for see on muti man pay. Derek, tell your company that me I don't like that thing. See, I'm a tip mobile money because I was here citing of MTN reward shoe with what is that? What is that? Derek, tell your company me I don't like the messages. Me pesa gra. You need to bring a push card here. No more money now. The be I just see a cancer say. You see M-Pesa. Okay. Alright, so once again a happy birthday and come on Esther Dompre. Oh yeah, achama bo here. I want some meat pie and cookies near there. And then your birthday, happy birthday. And for and come out. Is it Jamina? Right, so Jamina Mami, Sanobia, you share the throat in a happy birthday. And for come out, happy birthday once again. And for call and for Jamina Mami. Now, Shania, week with man to comfort the birthday. No, my dream one. Hey, as I want to won't comfort man. And mommy call UPSA. 4 years ago, UPSA, and the kids are not having me. The full name is Eunice Akutu. And you know, congratulations and come on, Miss Eunice Akutu. Miss Eunice Akutu. This is how you graduate of you see this school. But anyway, happy birthday and come on, Charlie. UPSA, you do. Did I say happy birthday? Congratulations. Congratulations and come on. Wish us, Charlie. It's not easy. Make I some few weeks ago. Now they be also why busy near there. She's learning, she has exams, she's this, she's that. So not time near there, you know. Miss Eunice Akoto, congratulations. And from come on once again. Happy birthday and come on Jamina Mami. Jemina mami happy birthday and come out your fro Miss Esther Dompre happy birthday and from come out way every Derek of MTN or say happy birthday Yakupon your keshepa na oma wakoma swadenya embremo o wachema babu heya to meat pie and cookies and happy birthday once again and for and come out and again and then so Reverend Dompre neba girl no mommy and their mommy's birthday happy birthday also Dompre Emmanuela Dompre you're from mommy Oko School St. Francis Senior High Technical School happy birthday and from come out we every woman me you and our papa Reverend Emmanuel Dompre happy birthday and for encore Emma won so maybe I will be on big shouts and come on right so 27 minutes after 11 ATA 93.3 FM Ahenkan my Anton there now for yaba and them person munya motias here they say Bosweno me choro baby ti mama motias here nche right Nelly's haircuts ewo achim asene Nelly's haircuts achim asene me pa show pe baby yuti so your ba ya be ma koho na ko yuti opese utwa open me gupe so yes sporty waves opese o die with colors ahodo nyina o call Nelly's haircuts ewo achim asene ewisa my Assemblies of God kwine so me show na ko yuti na ko die with na twatwa boy ne ade the boy so that form come upon yes as your home service intin so wo fi na wutie mi na bia woni ha ana bia bibi esi kwan wutumi nko shop no ma wo twa phone na wo frɛ ya ye beba abe yuti no fi come upon ma me ba cho frɛ Combinado e was 0542524856 0542524856 Nelly's haircuts or see your perfect touch now from Pond Enterprise our Kimoda Mandarin as here homo pe and tisha ope provisions are doing na ope soft drinks na wako from Pond Enterprise Mr. Kope bikogu shop na koton na for so pe bikogu fridge muni ade ani pa de o ho no na say provisions new in chance na do how much tanzania come ba how much pa minim say why is presidia how much bia na come deliver we uni hwe ofia aso we sisa Mr. From Pond Enterprise kope emo kope anwa kope biscuit toffees Milo nido ne ade kope be first fie ne ade be boa e pa cho ye wo ye Mandarin Hotel ase ho no ma wo betimi ni nso edi nkomo 0244877525 0206 473953 0242111236 ye be a shop for kra e wo Old Gin and Bank building ma from Pond Enterprise I see what the papa ache Jam Trading Enterprise so coming in junction Jam Trading cement ni bito pen na do POP plaster boards fiber paint ni ade nyina marine board obaya so ya Michelle they be make cancel say opa dance hunyomo ye papa quality dance hunyomo untu sika ngudi ya me pacho oba eye Jam Trading Enterprise ubenya de eye papa atona fe wonso wasumajo onko yese yi na na semi ko tu sika guna makosi sika debi unse sika e Jam Trading Enterprise me pacho owa kameni junction ni jaji ne di hwedim obetimi afeno 0208123872 and 0244566880 we see subiem 0208123872 na 0244566880 shesheya na kanetum abelwa afọ ishedin so sanya me adoma ye ko eye the Blues Pub Promotional Ahenkan FM you need the Blues Pub yeah the Europa League final match no yeah the bro the Blues Pub match between Sevilla and AS Roma 31st May 31st May and the channel so open baby ahwe game when Philippa there the Blues Pub now so kai say the Blues Pub hono me pacho yo baby a obetumi di Philippa tie baby a ube to me edidi a feeling the blues pop. The blues pop, you get it. And so pay fufu toza fiba and kunko kunte and peshe ope pijani and the idea na over the blues pop me pacho obenye bi ato edidi fili baby a ushe bi anu se to me ma se office they said Derek like this they be why busy why empty office or me pacho se wo why busy office or Edna they be a commercial bank why she to me pie ma me show fa phone na frey you be twa delivery what they say at the 0246 970146 0246 970146 this is be 0246 970146 not just say you dig in the bro answer you watch him abo Presby school no JHS hona and you glad some me was give it to me bro not just a rap na Patricia Mensa says you are looking good. Happy for yourself. All right, thank you. Very Bruno also thanks, bro. Really appreciate. Okay. Now, something to say. Regent Roof and Construction Limited. So, LBP watching my man say, "Ope, yeah, roofing, papa." Michelle, there be a castle roofing there. A man and I say a boama a dana who of a pew. You who the beauty of the building. Michelle, a general roofing now by you. Yanu de Ibia, Yana, others, a concochi conconi binia Tomana, or the number binia the idea. It's Michelle, Regent Roof and Construction Limited. Your IBR IDT self lock standing seam metal trusses Euro house. Nigga, affordable price. Not just say you are good to go and say Frey and give us a call or a first on 0244 134119 now 0544 313505504 and I say wait to me try on Facebook Regent Roofing Systems and I say email in or regentroofing@yahoo.com. That's right. So should we confirm from a comma? Aye, with your friend. Same boy. Now Mumbusano. I'll see. Oh, so Barryman Quine E. Perfect gentleman will kill me. Perfect. Today is Friday. The Blue Sports or Barryman Quine. Oh, okay. Gladys and Pabe. I'll say Jim for Gladys. Gladys and Pabe. I see me pen here, for me person they make the blues and now be man quine. Gladys, baby, I didn't make be a day inside. Gladys and Pabin, baby, I didn't make be a day inside. You get it? Right, so 34. Copy one way, mommy. Play this one for me. Now, who say I'm passing me, I'm a trust our partner. Some boy, I mean, you see, on say sometimes young songwriters ni young kasa bebre, you get it. I am person be kasa ngofa kasa oh na waka na wo mo bi ehu say won na tro new way. Ba we nya say bia mo ni me ye rap hu yan kamenka.
Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your niasa. Rabbit them concerning one idea, yes, my dear. I say forget your problems, so my brother. I say forget your problems, so my sister. Hey, happy yourself, cause if your problem in 99, thinking go make them 100. To me to be a moment, dear watcher. Brian, yes, so be bye. I'll be bye.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Apom to say.
Adwuma-Adwuma, sir.
The Nyame ase me so me ho dem pa. E call ni on.
Yes, sir. Adwuma-Adwuma.
Right. E call uni bibi. Me sorry say my can say, but sometimes I am in shada anka me modern boy na ade amaya manko for you get it.
Sure.
But as I know me nim nia omo person mo ni me studio ha. Amaya mama kama mama obi ehu say me na me trust how ho no me pa cho we dey my 18 through no one a Troy simple.
Wicha kudi jina wicha DJ Sabode. Yeah.
Sabo titru no so njindi. Sabo so njindi.
Tala ni inspiration jina fi come na.
Me pa cho can be.
This line in the especially last week of the question.
So what?
I got crew.
So if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. It means to be a moment dear railroad. Mama India so be back. And I want us out there. On your one, I can't boss when. I can't boss when they are in session. And so tell you, I'm so honor, no from honor me brands and I will come home. Oh, me use me sometimes I am me matching baby, but I am in person make us. What you say? And to see how one my tears here, if I show anyone. Oh, there be was here, me am chosen. I go Charlie. After my ending come on 1 minute to be project bay. I mean, what next?
What's that? Maybe in Kacha and Kaipro, they're not releasing, but not saying there's a big project coming. The latest by July, the 9 pound tomorrow. So let's expect something new, something mega. So say, Siano, the guy go corner advanced kaka and you know we need to prepare the ground. That's why and then normal February, March, April, they're not. That drop will but things have changed now. And I saw the kind so later last year, so setting up a new team, with new guys on board and all that. It comes with a lot of preparation. So definitely in July we'll hear something coming up.
All right, Martin, tell me, I can't say I'm going to achieve and pray on so about you get it. And Domino so the manager said they be our meanings or catch that manager me and Casa exactly no or say Friday we are making sure here but 1 week and I think it's last week young boy if last week manager you a deal Alright, we are that's it. Okay, Charlie. South of Matter 7 and Metro on the man. FTT. Yes, Mariasa. I the only one that trying to do. Okay, happy yourself and I'm a try. If your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. It meant to be a moment, dear railroad. Brian, dear so be back. There be my comedy number. Coco, which I'm sure me.
Problem in 99.
I'm not sure how Sako which be.
If your problem in 99, thinking go make 100. If your problem in 99,
thinking go make 100. It meant to be a moment, dear railroad. Brian, dear so be back. Ow.
Brian, put on your dancing shoes. Brian,
yes, sir, my dear sir.
I said, forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes, sir.
I said, forget your problems, so my sister, hey. Happy yourself. If your problem be 99, yo, thinking go make 100. Brian, yes, so be back. I like yes, sir, my dear son. Alright, so music of a Komavo, modern artist, and inshallah one day Ghana will certainly hear of this guy. I will bring the song back. Bring Kasabi Mtenyo now.
Have a blessed day.
Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your niasa. Rabbit them concerning one idea, yes, my dear. I said, forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes, I said, forget your problems, so my sister, hey. Happy yourself, cause if your problem in 99, thinking go make 100. It means to be a moment, dear watcher. Brian, yes, so be bye. Oh, be bye. Brian, yes, so be bye. Put on your dancing shoes. Brian, yes, Rabbit Jim to Sunny one idea, yes, my dear. I said, forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes, forget your problems, so my sister, hey. Happy yourself, cause if your problem be Brian, yeah, so baby, swear. I like Abasama, dear son. I swear. Swear. I like Abasama, dear son. Swear. Swear. I like Abasama, dear son. Swear.
As long as you have life, don't try to cry.
Get it all want it all get. So if you get what you want, shout hallelujah. But you don't get what you want, Jack China Beba. Hey, yo, nia wono, amra, bayeniasa, yo ni bien so, amra, bayeniasa, yo pe kunu ni opeyere, mombra, and it is sakotosa, baby, toto bonsa, diasa, just go crazy, fabebo, if your problem in 99, thinking go make 100. Times to be a moment, dear Roger. Brian, yeah, so be bye. Oh, be bye. Brian, yeah, so be bye. Put on your dancing shoes. Brian, yes, grab a jump to Sunny when I yes, I'm a yes. I say, forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes, forget your problems, so my sister, hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. Brian, yes, so baby, swear. I like Papa Sama.
things wait you do for me, and I need you. Yeah, that be where I wanna be your side and sing this song for you. I go hold you tight every day and night, every day for you. My body, my money, everything, baby, it belongs to you. My baby, tell me what you want, make I do for you. My body, my money, everything, baby, it belongs to you. My baby, tell me what you want, make I do for you. Hey, young me and this me lonely. Hey, you are my lady forever. I no could take you one no never. Hey, you are my one and only. All the men jam me and this me lonely. Hey, you are my lady forever. I no could take you one no never.
Okay, so show money. Middle. Show money. So Endra you around 8 p.m. Myself and Mr. Ernest and if you for we had a heated conversation, heated one. And I reached one day at the radio Zoom. Many of you for sometimes we disagree with each other. I mean, sometimes, not all the time though. Yesterday was a heated conversation. Some may come be one person of Bedia2, one person of Betia. Or not the end of person of Bedia2. Or the Mr. Ennis is after Mr. Ennis who said no, they're covenant can hear. You see, sometimes when I mean, I share with in fire more pressure I form. If you are not, if you are a can. She agrees with Bulldog. Say Oma pressure foul say you who said in a similar Bulldog kind or something they are doing. And I was telling her, say if you are sometimes and you will be pressure before no Sanya ebi a me covenant watching like this. Me nim pressure will be betting me to me a before me a be breaking me. No. But they be a no be the idea be na me breaking be breaking the panel. They make another say. It's I am before to say depression actually panana say be actually panana there. But some unnecessary pressure be here cause of social media and then I am pressure yan can ho asem. So right now, the man make ndramini if you are Mr. Ernest, you're misunderstanding any. I just went on Telegram. See what I saw. So this is a picture of a lady who is driving, me boy. But look at the picture very carefully. The car is on handbrake. It's on reverse gear. And now what transit is sending your car. So she will post this and a classmate will feel like, now maybe you get it. If people say now my pressure you are not correct yourself. Yes, because look at the picture. Picture the car is a handbrake. It's a reverse. What's that feeling to do? These are some of the things that people that was say I myself, not sir. What I said, like this. I was telling you before. I said, over school fees about or rent as well. We need monthly income, and you what's a sunny panel shouldn't think about anything. The panel, hey, where then he or she will be depressed. Then we can say. These are some of the normal man for depressing, but not these things. Me, these ones, if I see and you tell me you are depressed because your friend is driving a car and you are, come on, are you serious? Not serious. See, maybe I want to tell you, look at the picture. Look at this picture. What get so forward to patrons need to put us in here. Car no quiet, the car go speed up, boy. Press out phone say rather I'm going for to be there. Sometimes you na me say that na make a job is me pressure me for me you say Charlie who see dying at a certain age and they be a very pressure me for me and wow me pressure for me dying you what I say Charlie who this you be saying yeah, they for me. Now with this car, phone, oh, come on. I mean, yeah, dress it there. As you prima for that. I just had one on fire. So obi say perfume a beti me gunu ho acha o say hia obi say on koto Remy spices perfume a beti me jana ho acha be use ampa perfume ni ade so on kope Remy spices. Charlie, you guys are mean. What is this? Munja is out there. Munja. Alright, so how about 8 minutes? Nah, sorry. Nako ponya adama ochina on Showbiz 933 ochina be education. Yeah, just say normal show I on Saturday be an ochina e be an anyesa. Just say yeah, I mean we will bring pandas ourselves and we will be discussing issues and all. But ochina there be more like a seminar, right? Be more like a music seminar. Alright, so Sinner Prince but yeah, masters, and this guy is a professional musician and he wants us to learn about basic elements of songwriting and song structures. And to channel, I'm sure no will be more of a seminar than the normal usual showbiz aye. And to channel there, if you are a musician, if you are an artist, and I we actually want to do a seminar like or some place and open place where baby. I mean musicians will attend and acquire some little knowledge and so we want to start on the radio first. Now for workshops near there. And China on Showbiz 923 with Sinner Prince, who is a professional musician. We're going to discuss about basic elements of songwriting. It's a rap on after the show tomorrow. Guess what? I may write my second song on Wednesday. It's no more function. And China, the basic element of songwriting and our song structures, right? Or what career in this industry, will be interested in becoming a professional musician, will be interested in gaining some little knowledge and tenor. Please do subscribe to Showbiz 933 tomorrow between 1 to 3 p.m. for more insight and in-depth conversation with Sinner Prince and myself. And to watch another show, no, I'm saying Rebecca now, but Shabo, I think who is my guy will do it. Okay, so let's do this part. Is it a remix version? Sparrow and Tiba. Is it a remix? Okay. It's not coming. I'm signing out for economics or your friend Jenny me champion Boaten. Wait, my friend Kobina Costi, a branding part, the perfect gentleman. This is what it is. Big shout out and come Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo Kobi K, Nanato Pahim, Mr. Billy. And once again, congratulations and come Eunice Akoto. Big shout out and come out, sweethearts. And there is a UPS stress 4 years. It's not easy. And congratulations and come on. Me come across about me sambrani for but about you oh chabe. Never be my jama ikra buji todi. One door, my crowd. Bye bye.
The mid morning show.